Welcome back to the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Here we have the Powerbeats Pro. Now these have been around for quite some time, but they have been very popular. They offer 9 hours of wireless play, 24 hours with charging case, and you do have sweat and water resistance, adjustable secure fit earbuds, and with the ear hooks, on ear control for music and calls. These do use the H1 chip, so they do pair fairly easy with your iOS device, and something that made him another option for the AirPods users. Now once the AirPods Pro came out, they were more popular than the Powerbeats Pro, but for fitness goers, because of the hook shape and now going completely wireless, these were still fairly popular. So let's go ahead and unbox them and just take a look. Now the box itself is much bigger than what you find on the AirPods Pro, and even bigger than what you would find on the Powerbeats Pro Fit. This again is the last generation and was replaced, but with the price of $149 going around lately, it's still a great buy. And let's go ahead and see the unboxing experience on these. There we go, we just slide it out, and you have your Beats icon right there, and then this box here just lifts up and you have your Beats presented. Now this box is, or case, would be much bigger. You can definitely tell the difference. There's a hefty weight to it compared to the AirPods Pro, even the Beats Fit Pro. So these are $149 to $200. Originally they were $200 and going on sale for $149 now, but they have been replaced and you have a couple of different options. Now these don't cancel noise, they don't have any noise cancellation, nothing that I've seen. So there are better headphones out there, but still, for the price, not a bad option at all. Now you go ahead and lift it up, and it gives you to pair, keep earphones in case. And what you would do is you keep them close to your iPhone. You'll get the notification, and you can go ahead and repair them. Pair them up fairly easy. You have your button, and they lift out. Now these are very thin, as you can see right there. That's your button press right there. Your connection is right there, and there you go. That's the overall design. Now once you put it in your ear, it does activate right away. With the hooks, fairly comfortable. This does a great job. How does it sound? Not bad at all. Let's listen to the case. You do have your USB-C charging right there. Actually, it's USB Lightning, not USB-C. They went USB-C in the newer models, but with these, it's still using the Lightning to USB. Let's go ahead and take a look a little bit further. You'll see the cable right there. It's a black cable, and you can see Lightning to USB. And you have the Try Me Apple Music promo and more information documentation. More ear tips. Fairly straightforward unboxing. Let's take a look again. So there is a magnet and it pulls in, but leaving them just like this, it doesn't connect. You do kind of have to have a decent placement, a push in there, so it does connect. Like I said, very thin, lightweight. I can see why these will be popular for fitness, especially if your ears are not tuned for the AirPods Pro. But with the new Beats Fit Pro, if you can find them for under $100, there are better ones than these. The only thing that I wish that they would have kept with the Beats Fit Pro is the design of the case. As you can see, the quality of this case is better than it was with the Beats Fit Pro. If you watch my video with the Beats Fit Pro, it shows you the quality. There was some squeaking, moving around. This one feels way more solid. The top lid feels more solid than the Beats Fit Pro. I don't know if it was just the model that I had, but I would definitely recommend the Beats Fit Pro for the headphones themselves. But for the case quality, I wish they would have maintained it just like they did with the Powerbeats Pro. Now again, this might be the last time we see these types of headphones. Once they clearance them out, Apple might not sell these anymore, and we might just be sticking with the new generation of the Beats Fit Pro and Beats Studio. As you can see, it's more of a smaller design, something that fits in your ear, and doesn't have a hook system on the regular Beats Studios, but it does have Beats Fit Pro. They do have the ear wings that do have a good placement in the ear. Now, when it comes to recommending headphones, my recommendations are for the AirPods. I just tend to like how they sound and how they pair, and even their design quality sometimes to me seems a little bit better. What I had issues with, I do like to wear these to bed, so when I go to sleep, if I put these AirPods in, they do have a click button design right there, which is it's more of a force touch. It's not buttons, so it does not activate by itself, and it's not tap related. These I really wouldn't wear to bed. Plus, this button here from time to time does get clicked, and the Beats Fit Pro and the Beats Studios, they do have, or Studio Buds, they do have issues with that button placement, because once you lay down, if that pillow hits it, it does pause it. So that's an inconvenience. So for me, my recommendations would be the AirPods and AirPods Pro. Right now, just quality and overall just how their design is. Don't get me wrong, the audio quality on the Beats is getting much better, especially with the Beats Fit Pro and the Beats Studio Buds, but I will still stick with the AirPods Pro for the time being. We'll see how the AirPods Pro second generation compares to what we have now. Hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.